The goal of 5-year plans. The growth story. The first 5-year plan was one of the most important because it had a great role in the launching of Indian development after independence. Thus, it strongly supported agriculture production and it also launched the industrialization drive in the country. It built a particular system of mixed economy, with a great role for the public sector, with an emerging welfare state as well as a growing private sector. The economic growth has received the strongest priority in all of the plans. Due to low per capita income and the consequent low rate of saving and capital formation, Indian economy required a boost. This objective seems to be totally justified, particularly in the context of economic stagnation during the 2 centuries of British rule. The key sectors were agriculture, industry, power, and transport. Through rapid economic development, the country aimed at increasing national and per capita incomes. Thus, poverty was thought to be removed and the standard of living would be improved. Modernization and self-reliance. To achieve this goal, the 5th plan aimed at an increasing production of food grains. While emphasizing the increase in exports, the plan stressed the need for establishing import substitute industries as an important factor of economic self-reliance. Equal distribution of resources. In India's socio-political setup, vast inequalities was already existed. Indian plans thus aimed at reducing such inequalities so that the benefits of economic development spread to the poor. The objective of removal of poverty got its clear-cut enunciation only in that plan for the first time.